We are from AromaRevive.
At AromaRevive, we are proud of our innovative approach to transforming used cooking oil into fragrant wax tablets. We collect used cooking oil from individuals and businesses in the community and places it in the lab. And after that, we begin making scented wax tablets by using the collected oil. Following this, we search online for eco-friendly packaging, which possible to minimize waste and reduce our environmental impact. Our process not only reduces waste, but also promotes sustainability by giving new life to a valuable resource. In just 1 month, we sold 112 tablets. Our products are available at local booths, on Shopee, and also through our website. During our social business project, we achieved approximately 800 ringgit in sales. We also launched the AromaRevive website and spread awareness on the social media, especially on Instagram. Let me bring you to a tour of our website. In our homepage, we started with the product gallery in order to introduce the audience with our product, and then continue with the background information of AromaRevive. We also link the homepage with the blog page, where we have published 5 blogs related to used cooking oil. And also, frequently asked questions are available in our website. In our shop page, you can see the product description, including the price. We also have provided the space for easy communication with us. Our website is filled by our business address, phone number, email, and Instagram information. For more information, you can visit our website and follow us on Instagram.